The topic that we are going to discuss now is artificial intelligence and machine learning in space sector. How artificial intelligence and machine learning has been integrated into Indian space sector. That is what we are going to understand with few examples. So artificial intelligence and machine learning in space sector. Recently, the government of India highlighted the substantial strides made by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, in integrating AI and ML within the realm of space exploration. So this transformation has been strategic response to the rapid technological advancement in these domains over the past few years. Okay, so in the past few years there has been a huge technological advancement in these two domains, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and this is like a strategic response. We integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning is like a strategic response to the rapid technological advancement in these two areas. And then ISRO's ongoing projects, which includes even the Gaganyaan program, have integrated AI solutions. Okay, so now let us understand how AI is integrated and machine learning is integrated into space applications. Okay, first is space exploration and robotics. Okay, so space exploration and robotics go hand in hand. Okay, so artificial intelligence driven robots and rovers can navigate, make decisions and explore distant planets or asteroids without constant human intervention. Okay, human intervention is not needed when robots are working here, and they are working using artificial intelligence. And machine learning helps in identifying celestial objects, terrains and hazards and images which are captured by the space probes and satellites. Okay, so when space probes and satellites take images, this machine learning will analyze it and it will tell whether there are any hazards and how the celestial objects are present, in which distance they are present. All these details can be understood clearly with the help of machine learning. Next is satellite operation. So machine learning algorithms analyze satellite images to monitor changes in Earth's surface, weather pattern and environmental changes. These are important applications with respect to Earth observation satellites. Next is spacecraft system. In spacecraft system, how is artificial intelligence and machine learning is being used? Artificial intelligence system monitor the health of the spacecraft components, thus predicting the potential failures and allowing proactive maintenance of the satellite. Okay, and then machine learning algorithms optimize the power, fuel and other resources for spacecraft operations during any mission. Moreover, data analysis and pattern recognition is very important in any space mission. Okay, so it is done using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence analyzes vast amount of astronomical data to discover new celestial bodies and understand cosmic phenomena and identify space debris in the space. Okay, so all these are very important. Next, machine learning helps in processing signals from deep space, distinguishing between noise and the potential communication. Very important. Okay, so there must be a distinction between which one is noise and which one is a proper communication from a spacecraft. Okay, so this distinction can be made by machine learning, and it also helps in analyzing many scientific data. Okay, so these application oriented questions are very important from your mains point of view, and this can be asked as your interview question also. Okay, so this is